The recipe for today: sponge cake with plums. For this we will need 250 grams of white flour, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of sour cream, 20% fat, 30 grams of baking powder, 20 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon peel with a little sugar, 6 eggs, separated whites from yolks, 1 kilogram of plums, and the juice from 1 lemon. We add a pinch of salt in both the whites and the yolks. We blend the egg whites with a kitchen mixer, and once it's foamy, we add gradually 4 tablespoons of our sugar and continue to mix until it's perfectly smooth. Now we add half of our lemon juice. In the egg yolks we add the lemon peel, the vanilla sugar and the rest of our white sugar, and mix. Remember, always start mixing with a lower speed and increase it step by step. When the composition is smooth, add the sour cream and mix again. Next, we will add the baking soda to the white flour. While constantly mixing, we will add it all over the yolk cream. And now we pour the rest of our lemon juice. Now we will add the white foam composition to the yellow composition. This time we will mix it with a tablespoon, not with a kitchen mixer. Mix it slowly until both of them are well blended together. Next, we choose a suitable baking pan, we add baking paper and a little oil or melted butter. Here we will pour our composition. After it has spread all over, we start adding the plums. Now add the cinnamon on top of the plums. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180-200 Celsius degrees. Once it's done, it looks like this and it smells amazing. Only one step remaining, to add powdered sugar on top. And that's all. When the cake is cold, you can cut it. I hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe for more.